Hello everyone, I'm Ali. Welcome to the Spatial Skills channel. Here, we're going to learn professional GIS together. Today, we'll explore another toolbox in ArcGIS. So, stay with me. The Intersect tool in ArcMap is one of the most powerful spatial analysis tools that allows you to precisely identify overlapping areas between two or more different layers. It works like a smart pair of scissors that only keeps the intersecting parts of your layers. Let's begin with a practical example. Imagine you have a layer of city parks and a layer of noise-polluted areas in this city. Using Intersect, you can determine exactly how much of the parks are exposed to noise pollution, information that's extremely valuable for urban planning and quality of life improvement. Alright, let's dive into how to use this tool. First, open ArcMap and add your desired layers. In this example, we have two layers we want to intersect. City Parks layer. This layer acts as input features. Noise-Polluted Areas layer. This layer also serves as input features for the operation. After adding the layers from the geoprocessing menu, select Arc Toolbox. In the Arc Toolbox window, go to Analysis Tools, Overlay, and double-click on Intersect to open the tool. Here are the key parameters you need to know. Input features, mandatory. Select the layers you want to intersect. In our example, we'll choose both City Parks and Noise-Polluted Areas layers. You can even select multiple layers at once. Output feature class. Mandatory. Specify the output location and name. We recommend a descriptive name like parks in noise-polluted areas. Join attributes. Optional. Let's examine this on our Spatial Skills whiteboard for better understanding. All combines all attribute fields from both input layers. Recommend for this example. If the parks layer have 5 fields and the noise areas have 3 fields, the output will contain all 8 fields. No _FID. Keeps all fields except the FID, internal layers identifier. Useful when you don't want extra system fields in the output. Only _FID. Preserves only the FID fields from each layer. Use this when you only need the spatial relationship between layers and don't crop out attributes. XY tolerance. Optional. This parameter determines the spatial precision of output features. For a detailed explanation of XY tolerance and its settings, we recommend watching our Clip Tool tutorial video, which is linked in the cards above and in the description section. Output type. Optional. Controls output geometry. Input. Maintains the input geometry type. For example, if input is polygon, output will be polygon. Line. Outputs only common lines. Point. Outputs only common points. After setting all parameters, click OK to run the tool and generate your output layer. After clicking OK and running the tool, a new layer will be created showing only areas that are both parks and noise polluted. Now you can 1. Calculate the exact area of parks affected by noise pollution. 2. Analyze these areas on the city map. 3. Use the results to plan noise reduction measures in parks. Attention! If the layers don't have the same coordinate system, the Intersect tool will return an error. Before running the tool, check the Source tab in Properties to ensure both layers use the same coordinate system. It's that simple. Now you can easily use the Intersect tool in ArcMap. Remember how we learned to create buffer zones in previous video? Combining buffer and intersect can take your spatial analysis to the high level. Let's say you want to find parks that are both noise polluted and within 500 meters of schools. Here's how. First, use the buffer tool to create 500 meter zones around schools. Then, use the Intersect tool to find overlapping areas of city parks, noise polluted zones, school buffers. The result shows parks that are simultaneously noise-affected and near schools. If you haven't watched the second video from the Arc Toolbox Analysis Tools ArcMap tutorial series playlist yet, make sure to check it out to learn about the buffer tool and see how you can use these two tools together. The link to the second video is in the description and also in the card above. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments. Don't forget to follow Spatial Skills videos to learn GIS like pro. Thanks for watching.